నాకు కన్నడ రాదు, బట్ నెక్స్ట్ మీట్ కల్లా నేను కన్నడ నేర్చుకుంటాను. ತುಂಬ కష్టపట్టి ఈ సినిమా చేసాము. ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ ఇట్. కన్నడ ఇప్పుడు ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ నెక్స్ట్ టైం జాదా. ఓకే, లవ్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ తమ్ముడు. ఆ కుర్రోడు ఉన్నాడు, అది చిన్న అబ్బాయి.
Right there.
A small boy was there.
The small boy there.
And thank you to all the press and media. Please enjoy the movie. Please see the movie. Experience Pethi. I really wish this will be the most inspiring film I've done in my life. And you will truly feel why we are so sincerely promoting and how we performed in this. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sorry, Janhvi Kapoor ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾರಿ, ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್. Grow more bigger than your mother. All the best. God bless you.
Okay, we have Shivanna and we have Ram Charan sir. Iವರು powerful dancer, ಅವರು dancing machine. Can't we recreate a chikri moment on stage? But before that, sir, you asked for this boy. ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪೆನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಪಾಸ್ ಪೆನ್? ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪೆನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನಾಕಾ, ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಾಕಾ? Okay, can we have Janhvi here on stage, please? Can we have Janhvi here on stage? Okay. Relax. Oi. He did the same way. Thank you. Everybody, can you please clear the stage? Anna. Also, first premier ticket for Pethi movie. ಇದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ರಾಮ್ ಚರಣ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.